ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Hello, dear listeners. You have just tuned into our show Chronicles of the Past, where we discuss important historical events that took place on the same day in history. Today is the 18th of August, and the facts are as follows. Gulzar, one of India's most celebrated and versatile literary and cinematic figures, was born on the 18th of August 1934. A poet, lyricist, screenwriter and film director, Gulzar's work spans decades and continues to leave an indelible mark on Indian art and culture. In 1900, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, one of the most prominent Indian political leaders and a pioneering woman in international diplomacy during the 20th century, was born in Allahabad. She broke numerous barriers in public life, becoming a global symbol of women's leadership and India's voice on the world stage. In 1945, the great Indian freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose sustained critical injuries in a plane crash in Taiwan. He later succumbed to his wounds in a military hospital. His mysterious death remains a subject of debate and deep emotional connection in India's fight for independence. On the same day in 1951, the Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur was established in West Bengal. As the first IIT in the country, it laid the foundation for world-class technical education in India and went on to become a symbol of innovation, excellence, and nation building. Dear listeners, that's all for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I am your host and RJ Himanjali, signing off. We will meet you once again very soon with more interesting facts and discussions. Please stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM. Thank you.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.